It depends on what this guy's doing, whether I go down or whether I go back. Like, if he's real high and he's not letting me, yeah, if he's got me sit back a little bit, what he'll do is I'll come down. Alright? I want to break this grip. I come down, take one off, turn in. Just single leg. Okay? So, he's got this. Come in, break this off, slide down. Use my elbows to kick one off. It doesn't matter which one. Once I have one kicked off, I'm going to go to the opposite side. Alright, so I'm just turning and coming up to my knees. You guys got that?
One more time.
Alright. So I'm here. He's got the seatbelt. I'm going to break the seatbelt a bit. Here. Take one off. Okay. All you do is go to your knees. Get low. Here. Push one off of your leg with your elbow. You don't have to use your hands. Use your hands to guard your neck. Push one off. Once you have one off, go to the opposite side. Okay? Ready? Ready.